safety, reliability, a top quality finished product, freed up human resources to save time and money. All this can be summed up in just one word: CUCIMIX 70, a multi-purpose appliance that can be left to work automatically without the need for constant kitchen staff supervision, all in less than 2 cubic meters. Sauté, bolognese and other pasta sauces, risottos, stews, caramel and jam are just a few examples of the cooking power of CUCIMIX 70. CUCIMIX uses direct heat without a jacket. Its capacity is 70 litres and it is available in both electrical and gas versions. The temperature, with settings from 20 degrees C to 200 degrees C, is controlled by a probe fitted into the bottom of the pan and an optional second probe inside the pan in contact with the food. The automatic 3-blade mixer can be completely removed for easy cleaning. The mixer rotates both clockwise and anti-clockwise, and its speed and timing are set directly from the control panel to optimize working time. FireAxe uses the most cutting-edge technology to create a range of automated appliances that are the perfect tools for today's busy kitchens. Precise temperatures and cooking times can be set on the FireAxe electronic display to make work planning simple and accurate. The appliance can be linked to a computer or a HACCP system. Another CUCIMIX 70 Plus is that it is extremely easy to clean, quickly and thoroughly. CUCIMIX 70. Infinite versatility in the most limited of spaces.